Kitty,
Yes, Master.
there was a lot of wind last night. When I came home in the daylight, I noticed that there's a lot of trash and tree limbs down in our yard. Not to mention, Lionel got knocked over.
Oh my God.
So we gotta get our jackets on and go outside and clean up.
Yes, Master.
Alright, let's get ready. Alright, Kitty, it's cold, it's windy, it's getting late, but the tree limbs have got to go. And look at poor Lionel over there, face down in the dirt and the cold.
Poor Lionel.
Poor Lionel.
We feel sorry for him.
Well, maybe he's angry because he's exposed to the elements. You don't like being out here in the cold wind.
It is cold. Maybe we ought to put his house up, though.
Alright. Lionel, you're a lucky bastard who doesn't deserve it. We're going to give you a home. Alright, Lionel. It's your lucky day. Look at this. He had a tea lamp out here for a fire.
Oh, he must have been
really cold.
Maybe he was making bacon on it. That wouldn't surprise me about him.
Yeah. First is window. This might be harder than I thought.
I already want to climb into the tree. That looks beautiful. Welcome back to Kinky This Old House. Alright, Lionel, wake the frig up.
Alright, Lassie. Get me some matches and light this fire.
You like the fire. We got things to do.
Alright, the home decorating part is done.
It looks great.
He does. I'll have to take the hat off to get in the door, though. Quick, Kitty, it's a squirrel.
Yeah, that'll teach him. Stay out of our yard. This is kitty territory. Should I pee on him?
No, it's alright.
It shows dominance and then they stay out of your yard.
We got a lot to do, Kitty. Look. The wind knocked down and destroyed our little gazebo.
Nature is so wonderful, isn't it?
That's junk.
Well,
And all the medical boxes for the recycling have been blown over, so we're going to have to clean that up.
sure they're not all medical.
You're right. I see Nicole's box over there. Alright, let's go around front and drag the brush back.
Yes, Master. take it all at once?
Yeah, watch your feetsies, it's kind of big.
Goodbye, branch.
Every year we try to get rid of it. Every year it grows. But this year we'll get it broken down.
Soon!